Hey, what's up, KFM? It's your girl Eunice, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for Lisa. So today I'm gonna try an updo that I have for an occasion. I decided to share this try and error sort of video for you to see how I come up with my style sometimes. And so do sit back, enjoy, and let's see how it goes. So I start off by moisturizing my hair, and I spritz it with just water just to make sure that my hair is moisturized a bit and soft to be able to separate. Now my hair was not freshly washed, and so you can see some uh, products in my hair. Yeah, it's because it's not a freshly washed hair, but I still had to style my hair, so I parted the hair. I'm not really good at parting hair, so it's not really clean, but at least I've been able to do something. And so I just part the front part of my hair, and that is what I'll be using for the front twist. And yeah, basically that is what I'll be using for the front twist. So what I do is to take out that hair, because that would be the last section that I would be working with. I'd prefer to deal with the back section first. So I wanted to do a twisted style, and so I decided to section the lower part of the hair, and this is going to be for the left section and also for the right section. I'm not very good with cornrows, so these are some ways that I style my updos. Yeah. So this style I'm going to do it's for an occasion, and you can also rock it. It's more like a bridal updo style that I'm going to be doing. So towards the end of the video you will definitely see the result. So now to work on the back section, I part my hair into two equal parts. That's the rest of the hair, and what I'm going to do is to do 3 loose twists on each section. So this are not neat parts, and in fact it's quite difficult working with my hair this way, but I still have to do it. Yeah, so these are not neat parts, and so I just twist my hair, and it's loose twists. So I just twist my hair, and it's 3, so it's going to be 6 sessions in all. That's what I plan on doing. And this style is great for short hair types. It's also great for longer hair types, and my hair is long, so that's how you see me doing it this way. So I'm on the 3rd twist. So this is the first 3 twists for my back section, and I did the rest off camera, and this is the other 3 of the other section. So I have 6 loose twists in all. Now the next thing to do is to get my bobby pins, and then bobby pin the back sections in place. So this is what I do. It's not supposed to be very tight, it's just something little, and then you bobby pin it in place. And so that is what I do for these 6 loose twists that I have here. So you can do it 8 and still bobby pin it. It depends on how you want to do it, but if you want to do it exactly as I'm doing, then this is definitely how you bobby pin it. And this style is very easy to do. You don't need any experience. You just follow what I'm doing, and then you would get the style. So the last one, I go through the same method, bobby pin it. Actually, this was a random hairstyle. I haven't done it before. I haven't seen it. It just came off mind, and I decided to do it. Some natural hair is very, very versatile. That's one thing I love about it. And so I'm trying to show how versatile it is. Yeah. Now that I am done with the back section, which is very, very nice and it's in place, I'm going to deal with the side. And this part, I'm going to use my small rubber bands and then a gel. And the gel I'm using is my Eco Style gel, just to let the hair lay down a bit and go ahead to twist it like I always do. So this is much more like a twisted updo hairstyle that I'm doing. So just like you see in the video, I'm just twisting, and this is also loose twist, but you can make it tighter. I mean, if you want it to show like very well, but I'm still doing some loose twists here and there. And then the next thing I do is to also get some bobby pin and then just tuck it in. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other section, and it's still the same. Nothing has changed. It's just the same procedure that I am using. So this style is something that you can rock on the go, and it's very, very simple. I keep on saying it's simple because it's really simple to do. And especially if you don't know how to cornrow like myself, then you can play with something like this, girl. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't. And also, if you like this video, just do hit on the like button down below, just to show your appreciation for this video. Now I'm done with the two sides, and I am left with the front section. Now the front section, I plan on actually doing some loose twists as well, and then tucking the ends in place just to create that style. And the tighter the twist, the less fuller it looks, and the looser the twist, the more fuller it will look. So personally, I'm just going to do some loose twists just to make it look fuller. Okay, and that is what I'm doing. And the number of twists I plan on twisting is a total of 4. So I have my 2 twists, and I'm gonna twist 2 more before I tuck them in. So this are my twists, my loose twists actually, and I'm just try to bobby pin the whole thing in place. And whenever I'm doing this, I make sure that I just try to see how it will look before I bobby pin it, because this, like I said, is try and error. So I just want to make sure that it looks perfect before I try to do any bobby pinning. And here is the final one. I'm just trying to also bobby pin that. So basically this is it, and you can see the side, the back, the other side, and then the front part. This hair is amazing, guys. And finally, dressed up for my occasion, I decided to add some accessory, and this is what I have, guys. Very, very beautiful hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section if you like it, if you're gonna try it. I'll be very much grateful if you let me know your thought about it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.